The effect of controlled delivery of chelating agents on the pulp tissue dissolution ability of fresh sodium hypochlorite solutions. This study was presented by a Spanish group, Dr. Navarrete and others, and it was published in GAOE in December 2022. The premise for this study was the discussion of the interaction of the chelating agents with sodium hypochlorite in the ability to decrease the tissue dissolution of sodium hypochlorite. Two chelating agents were examined, EDTA and editronate. Both chelating agents were examined on bovine pulp tissue that was collected from bovine that were animals that were slaughtered, and it were collected 2 days following their slaughtering. They had 5 groups. They had 6 groups, 4 experimental and 2 controls. And the 4 groups were: the first group was sodium 6%, 3% with EDTA, 3% with editronate, and 3% with 9% editronate. There was no significant difference in the tissue dissolution ability between the whole groups. However, the discussion, as this study was designed differently than previous studies, the irrigants were delivered in a programmed dynamic mechanism compared to other studies that had the same thing but in a static, which kind of replicates more the clinical situation. However, the free available chlorine has been shown to suffer rapid consumption when in contact with dentine, decreasing the ability to dissolve the organic tissue. This was been demonstrated previously, but in this study, in the absence of dentine, this could lead to overestimation of the dissolution activity. The decrease in available chlorine was also observed in this study, and this decrease is expected since the test model used in present study allowed continuous refreshment of solutions in contact with the sample tissue. The model combined a centrifuge tube with an inner filter for pulp tissue and sample of 50 ml plastic tube where the centrifuge tube was placed for supernatant collection. The study demonstrated that the alternate delivery of EDTA and editronate under controlled flow did not affect the tissue dissolution ability of refreshed sodium hypochlorite. However, this has to be confirmed on a human root canal with the presence of dentin.